Film production firms, film studios, cinematography, animation, film production, scripting, pre-production, post-production, film festivals, distribution, and actors are all a part of the film industry, also known as the motion picture industry. Let's take a more detailed look at who an actor is and what makes an actor. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below to get a notification on our next video. An actor is a performer who takes on the role of a character in a play. In the traditional medium of the theater or modern media such as film, radio, and television, the actor acts in the flesh. Being an actor entails performing in front of an audience, whether on a movie set or a theater stage. You'll need to be able to concentrate and stay concentrated at all times to stay in character. Acting is about putting on a show. It is about finding a way to express yourself artistically, and doing it for the love of it. That isn't to say you shouldn't be business-minded, but if all you're thinking about is how to make it in this industry rather than how to be the most skilled and well-rounded actor possible, your signals are crossed. Acting is a great way to learn about your emotions, feelings, and movement. If you were an outgoing child, you were probably told that you should become an actor. Although it can be difficult, it is still extremely rewarding. And because it is such a fun career choice, it can lead you to become a celebrity, work with creatives, and earn a lot of money. The role of an actor is to thoroughly embody the character they are portraying to persuade the audience that the character is real. This applies to both large and minor roles, as all roles work together to make a great performance. There are a variety of techniques to get into character, and actors frequently research the jobs, interests, and activities of the people they play to put themselves in that mindset. They will frequently lose or gain weight or change their hair color to physically create the character they are portraying. And if the role requires any kind of emotional drama, an actor would typically research to find people who have gone through that predicament to properly comprehend and convey the emotions. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, actor employment is so irregular that only hourly wages for the profession could be calculated, not the usual annual pay. They earn an average pay of $39.84 per hour, and the lowest paid 10% earn $9.39 per hour. The highest paid 10% earn more than $100 per hour. The majority earn a median hourly wage of $50.88 in the motion picture and video sectors. The average hourly compensation for independent actors is $44.46. Other common employers and average incomes including performing arts firms pay $27.13 per hour, amusement parks pay $31.25 per hour, and performing arts promoters pay $22.14. For those interested in acting from a young age, many local community theaters are looking for people of all ages to act in their plays. You can audition and start with minor roles and work your way up to lead roles as you gain experience. If you haven't graduated from high school yet, you can join a theater club, audition for school plays, join a debate team, or take a public speaking course. This can assist you in gaining confidence in front of an audience. Actors frequently follow tortuous paths to their ultimate destination, thus, the path to becoming an actor isn't as clear-cut as it could be for other professions. Here are a few things you should engage in to know how to become an actor. Jump into acting in high school, gain experience outside of school, get educated, keep going on auditions and working as much as possible in the performing field, construct an acting resume, and when a bit of momentum begins to build, enlist some assistance. An experienced agent can assist you in succeeding by providing a vast network of contacts, assisting you in avoiding beginner mistakes, and obtaining auditions that would otherwise be unavailable. No one can predict how many auditions an actor will have before being cast in their first project, or how many additional auditions they will have before landing their second job. It can be exasperatingly slow, frighteningly fast, or everywhere in between. In other words, it will most likely take longer than you expect, or however, it may occur before you are prepared. Investing in your acting career isn't predictable, as there is no set time limit. In truth, there is nothing certain about pursuing a career in acting, but would it cost you to pursue this dream? Yes. Will it be worthwhile? Absolutely. Every penny you spend on your acting profession is a financial investment in yourself. You may either spend to improve the product acting courses, seminars, or a gym, or you can market it to get people to buy it headshots, casting websites, or personal websites. At the end of the day, lack of or poor training, terrible timing, poor choices, health issues, family conflicts, lack of commitment, no talent, and so on are some of the reasons why so many actors do not succeed in the pursuit of their acting careers. However, one of the most significant reasons is money, a lack of or mismanagement of funds. Although a college education is not essential to become an actor, many professionals benefit from more formal schooling. Production, dance, history, and acting are just a few of the classes available, and they all provide a solid foundation for future work. Even though no official education is required, performers must obtain some type of formal training or education. You can improve your talents by taking college courses in filmmaking or drama, as well as music or dance. These courses are typically offered by state institutions, universities, community colleges, acting conservatories, and private film schools. You can also obtain experience by enrolling in theater arts programs or joining theater companies to further your abilities and credentials, or choose to pursue a bachelor's degree in theater in a good fine arts school. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching this video. Please share your opinions in the comments section below. And remember to click the subscribe button to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.